Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog again. It's me, MRK Studio, Matt Navarro. Today we are discussing and I will show you a tutorial of inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance, protected members, derived class constructors, and destructors polymorphism. What is inheritance? Base class. Base class is yung tawag dito, pinaka main class. Tapos yung sa derived class is inherited from base class. Kumbaga sa ilalim siya ng base class, yung derived class. Uh, para mapadali, I just want gusto kong magpakita ng sample. Diba? Uh, Given base class, class animals, class animal. Kasi gagamit tayo ng get and set. Base class animal is declared with two integer variables, legs and age. Ayun, legs, age, tas gagamit tayo ng get and set. Get and set allows the retrieval and assignment of a value for the variables of the main class for derived classes. Example, ito yung connected kaganina, ito yung base class, yung class animal. Tapos ngayon, may tayo. Derived class na may pangalan na dog, tapos tatawagin natin yung base class ng animal. Yung public dog. Tapos legs, lalagyan na natin ng value na 4. Tapos public void bark, console.write and woof. Derived class dog is used as animal as its base class. The derived and base class are separate using a colon. Colon lang, hindi siya semicolon. All public members of animal become public members of dog. This allow access to the legs member in the dog constructor. Dog contains its own bark method. Ayun yung bark, nakita nyo yung kung saan natin nilagyan siya ng value na woof. Tumakal yung aso. Main method contains an initiated object of derived class dog named D. Ayan, dog D. An initiated object. All entered members included in the initiated object as well as dog's unique bark method. The bark method of D is called which outputs contents of the method woof. Yun din natin value. Ganoon lang kadali gumawa ng ganoon lang kadali pag-aralan is yung inheritance at saka polymorphism, yung base class, derived class. Pag protected members, the protected access modifier, example, given dyan, plus person protected in age, yan, kumuha na naman tayo ng lalagay tayo ng base class, tas yung base age, tsaka name, tas sabay, gamit tayo ulit ng get and set para ma-retrieve natin yung gusto natin ilagay sa person, yung age tsaka name. Class person is declared as the base class derived class student. Base class person contains two protected members, name, age, and name. Derived class students contains a unique method named speak that uses the protected member name for its console write parenthesis method. An object of derived class student named S is initiated within the main method. Kaya makita natin yung NS, gumamit ng S. Tapos NS para for students, initiate natin. For student. Ayan, sa name, ginamit tayo ng NM. The speak method of object is called and return the assigned value for protected name. Ayan, naglagay tayo ng value dyan which is David, name David. Naglagay tayo, student initiate na as new student, tapos value. Ito, naglagay tayo ng value na David. Class is declared as the base class of derived class students. Base class person contains two more. Ayun. Kaya lang ko ganina is sabi ko. Doon lang tayo sa mga basics. Ayan, ganito lang. Instructors and students. Okay, so tuturo natin base and derived class with constructors and destructors. Ito yung base class, derived class, constructor, and destructors. Nakita nyo sa ito yung explanation. Base class animal. Nakikita nyo dito na base class animal is written with both constructors and destructor. Both the constructor and destructor is executed when the identifier for the base class is called. The constructors executes first, followed by the destructors. When any of the methods are called, a console write line method is displayed to denote creation and deletion. Derived class dog is also written with its own constructor and destructor. Its constructor and destructor follow the same rules of execution as with base class. That's it for today's video. I hope may naintindihan kayo about inheritance and polymorphism. For more videos, just keep waiting for new updates of new videos, because I don't know if I can do more. I will continue this vlog. Okay, thank you.